What's up, sports fanatics? It's your boy C-Dub, and I'm here with my first reaction video here on the channel. Today we got mic'd up Kyle Shanahan wired for sound and 49ers win against Broncos. Now, I wonder how what he was saying. You know what I'm saying? The whole time we was playing that game. Because that was kind of like a little nail biter for us, huh? You know what I'm saying? We needed that win. Because our season, it's already going downhill. The only thing I could do is keep it real, man. Yeah. But anyways, y'all ready to jump off into this one? Let's do it.
Go, man. Go, Brandon. I gotta do zip up, man.
Everybody dapping it up. Yep. You know what, guys? He sound normal. He don't sound like he, he don't sound like he worried about the game. You know what I'm saying? He real cool and, you know what I'm saying, collective. I like that right there, man. You know what I'm saying? He is a true leader. Not showing no fear, no nothing. That's what's up. Let's get back to it.
I play better when I look better. Let's go, dude.
Play better, look better.
Let's go, kiddo. Have some fun, man. Tear it up.
Now, George Kittle, man, he is the MVP of the whole team. Man, look here. You throw a ball to him, he catching it. Straight up, man. It don't matter where you throw the ball at, he gonna go after it, and that ball gonna get caught. I love that guy right there, man. Straight up. We need to make sure that we keep him. Whatever it takes, he gotta stay. Let's get back to it.
Attack, man.
Mullins with time, deep shot, wide open is Kittle.
Ooh, beautiful, man. Beautiful. See? You know what? Let me take that back right quick, man. Let me take it back right quick. Just a little bit more. Alright, right here. Who's that? Mullins? He another one. We need to keep him too, man, for real. He gonna be a very, very good quarterback in the near future. I bet you. Let's get back to it.
Mullins with time, deep shot,
Airing it out. Wow, man. You see that? He jumped up and got that ball, man. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah.
Kittle inside the 30 and down around the 22-yard line.
Yep.
Great
Yep.
job, Nick. Let's go far right, nasty, big fly.
Did he just say far right nasty? Oh, Kyle Shanahan, man. Let's get back to it.
Turbo, Zelda, 14 Diablo, next dragon.
14 Diablo.
Chocolate door. Chocolate.
What? Chocolate door. Man, what kind of play calling? Man, what kind of plays do we get? Hey, whatever works, right? Let's get back to it.
Door.
Second and 6, Mullins pump fakes, now completes it, and here goes
Wee.
Kittle again.
Yeah.
Off to the races.
Yeah, man.
Still going. Kittle.
Stiff arm strong, man. His stiff arm strong, baby. I like that. Like about right about there, yeah.
Races. Still going.
Stiff arm strong.
Stop inside the
Oh yeah.
15-yard line.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, man. Hey, look here. You give George Kittle that ball, it's gonna either be a nice big game or touchdown. Every time, man. Every time I seen him get that ball, it's always for a big game or a touchdown. For real. Back to it.
Mullins looking to throw.
All alone.
There's Kittle
Kittle, once again, MVP of the team, man. Ooh-wee. Man, all the way, baby. All the way. That's what I'm talking about, man. Huh? Like I said, when he gets the ball, it's going to either be a touchdown or, you know what I'm saying, a big game. We got to do whatever it takes to keep this guy, man, for real. Look at him, man. beautiful. Loving it.
Great job, man.
Good shit, man.
Man, that was awesome. Great
Awesome.
job.
Kittle's so good, dude.
Dude, so good.
Call that play every time.
Dude, that was crazy.
Hey, man, Kittle is the heart of the team right now, man. Real.
Juice is a baller. Challenge everyone to lock in. If you like the one-on-one, take Dante.
Bowens to the end zone to Pettis. Touchdown.
Touchdown. That's what I'm talking about right there, man.
Great drive, fellas. Great job, man. Hell yeah.
Okay, fade ball from the one. You feeling yourself today?
Yeah, I was feeling a lot better.
Feeling yourself? Wow.
Keenum to Lindsey, and Lindsey looks
Ooh-wee.
and did not get there.
I like the sound of that right there. And did not get there. Yeah.
Man, make it. Yeah! Yeah, Marcel! There you go, man! Good job, dude. I am so
I love my team, man. 49ers till I die. Yeah, man. That was a good win right there. Like I said earlier, you know what I'm saying? We really needed that win. And we went out there and we got it. You know what I'm saying? I'm real happy about that. You know, I know next year when, you know, everybody come back, hopefully things will change for the better, you know what I mean? But yo, I'm about to get out of here. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget, hit that sub button. Come on and join the family, alright? Till next time, peace.